Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to go through some Python. I haven't done Python yet on this channel, I've just been sticking to my website and also Unity. But in this video I'm just going to show you how to get a grades application that's going to take a few test scores from you and then just submit basically what grade you get. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to set up a while loop. If you've done Python before, you will know what this is. Basically just makes it so while the value is true it keeps going in the loop, and then as soon as it is set to false it'll just end the program. Once you've done that, you want to set a variable name, so we're going to set it to student name. Then we're going to put while this is equal to the input of enter name, student name. Not while this is equal to, sorry. Basically we're basically declaring here that student name is the same as whatever is in this bracket. So don't look at it as equal to, look at it as the same as, basically. So once we've done that, we can do that. So now we can put two enters in to space this off. Now we're going to have our variable names. So this is going to be basically what our test scores are called. So we can have English score. Now we're going to have this as a floating point number. Also, if you guys aren't familiar with Python, I can teach these terms in later videos if you don't know. I'm just obviously doing this for my college at the minute, but if you're not sure of these terms, I can teach these in later videos. If you guys want it, just make sure to put that in the comments. And after this, you can put into your English score. And we do the same as last time. This time we put two brackets on the end of this, like so. Now we can just copy and paste this and just change out the key details, because the code will be the same. So we're going to have maths, and you guys can pick the last one. We'll go for science, why not? It's the main subjects. Now once we've got them, we want basically to calculate the average score overall. We can do this by, if you guys are familiar with maths, you will know how to create the average score. You just add all the numbers together and divide by 3. It's what's called the median, I'm pretty sure, if my GCSE maths did me well. Average underscore score, or average underscore score, yeah, sounds weird, equals basically just saying average score, the variable, is the same as whatever we put in these brackets. So we're going to again put all of our variable names. English score, we're going to put math score, and we're going to put science score. And once we've done this, at the end we want to close the bracket, and don't forget to do the divide it by 3. If you didn't know, guys, the divide in Python is this. Also another tip, the times is the little star button. If I can find it on my keyboard, I'm not quite sure where it is. There it is. So this is the times button in Python, if you're not sure. If you have used Python before, you will know this, but just in case you haven't. Then after this, we're going to want to print the average score. Print basically just inputs whatever you've put in these boxes onto the screen. So print is kind of like the output, you could say. Average. And we're going to want to put them. You're going to want to put a comma. Then we're going to want to put round. Basically this is just rounding the numbers. average, I'm going to want to get rid of the capital A. Average underscore score. Close off them brackets. Oh, sorry, I missed something out. You want to put a comma in there. Then you also want to put 2, so it remembers to do that function. Not function, sorry, process. Then after we've done all this code here, we're going to want to set up some if statements, because if you run this at the minute, it will work, but you obviously want to put the grading system in place, obviously, so the computer knows what grades are what. So we're going to set up some if statements. So we're going to put if the score is 90, we're going to put if it's less than or equal to 90, then, or sorry, less than or equal to 100 and greater than or equal to 90. Then we can print grade A has been achieved. We can just put grade A for now. If you guys do want to add to this code, you can. The code will all be in the description, by the way, if you don't want to type out, but I do suggest following along, as it is the best for retaining the information. Then after this, instead of doing another if statement, we're going to do an else if statement. If you didn't know, this is an elif in Python. So we're going to do the same again. So I think we can copy this and just change out the key numbers. So we're going to change this to 80. And we can change this to 90. Or 89, sorry. Then we can copy the print. This will be obviously grade B. We'll just do to grade C for now. You can go further, but just so the video doesn't run too long, we'll just do grade C for now. And to finish, I'm going to do another elif. Grade C. I'm going to do 79 and 70. Then once this is set up, we're going to make one last statement, which is an else statement, and then we're going to put print fail. This is basically just saying if the numbers inside of this haven't been inputted, then just print fail, as the number that you've inputted obviously isn't inside the test scores. So we're going to put fail, and we should give this a run. So enter student name, my name's Tom. English score, I got 90, 90, 90. Oh, we've got an error here somewhere. I'm not quite sure where the error is here. String objects has no object around. Is it the round function that's messing me up here? Is it because... Oh, I put a full stop. I'm sorry guys for that one. I am still learning. I put a full stop here instead of a little... That should work now. I do apologise. There we go. Okay, so I did put 9 in the end, so it fails. Let's try that one more time, just to make sure. Don't want to be giving you guys false code. 90, 90, 90. And there we go. It works. Grade A. You can expand this if you want. Also, I'll put all this code in the description, just in case you don't want to type it. But this channel is basically just for people that are learning. I am also still learning as I'm at college, but I just want to try and help people with this channel, and hopefully it helps you all. And make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you're on TikTok, like, comment and share, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.